country. We wanted to solve our problems among ourselves, but our patience had brought negative results, and we have decided to stop this genocide of the Shia people in Pakistan at any cost. We will take care now. We will go to each and every forum of the human rights and tell them for the genocide where thousands of engineers, doctors being killed in Pakistan. Why? Why?
We made Pakistan! We saved Pakistan! We made Pakistan!
We saved Pakistan!
We made Pakistan!
We saved Pakistan!
We made
We
Pakistan!
saved Pakistan!
We made
We saved
Pakistan!
Pakistan!
We
We
made Pakistan!
saved Pakistan!
We want to make it clear to the Pakistani government and the Pakistani authorities that from now onwards we'll take this voice to every nook and corner of the world. In Washington, there's going to be a demonstration here tomorrow. There is a demonstration in Toronto in Canada. There will be a demonstration in other cities of Europe, and we will not let these brutal murderers and their supporters come into United Kingdom. We'll demonstrate on every forum and every place. We will make the place hell for them who are supporting and giving shelter to these terrorists in any form, whether they are individuals, whether it's an organization, whether they are country, anything. We hate terrorists and we are a ball in front of terrorists.
What do we want?
Justice!
What do we want?
No!
Everything that and the so-called supporters of the terrorists say, we have got only one thing to say: Labbaik Ya Hussein!
Labbaik Ya Hussein! Labbaik Ya Hussein! Labbaik Ya Hussein! Labbaik Ya Hussein! Labbaik Ya Hussein!